Hey everyone, welcome back to English Trend. Today we're diving into a very important and useful part of English grammar, the imperative mood. Definition. The imperative mood is used for giving orders, directions, instructions, and advice. It's direct and doesn't usually have a subject because the subject is understood to be you. Simple sentence structure. Base verb plus object if needed. Examples. Sit down. Open the door. Listen carefully. Different uses of the imperative mood. 1. Giving commands. Stop talking. Close your book. 2. Giving instructions. Mix the flour and sugar together. Turn left at the next traffic light. 3. Giving advice or suggestions. Take an umbrella with you. Try to get some rest. 4. Making requests using please for politeness. Please help me with this. Please be quiet. Negative imperatives. To make an imperative negative, just add don't before the verb. Don't run in the hallway. Don't touch that. Don't forget your homework. Now let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. Stand up. Don't be late. Please help me with this project. Now, I'll give you a situation and you think of the correct imperative sentence. Your friend is talking too loudly. What do you say? Correct answer. Be quiet. You want someone to open the window. What do you say? Answer. Open the window, please. Recap key points. The imperative mood is used for commands, instructions, advice, and requests. It's simple. Just use the base form of the verb. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.